In Python, how do I read the exif data for an image? I'm using pill. How do I turn the exif data of a picture into a dictionary?
You can use the _getExif protected method of a pill image. This should give you a dictionary indexed by exif numeric tags. If you want the dictionary indexed by the actual exif tag name strings, try something like
For Python 3.x and starting pillow equals 6.0.0, image objects now provide a public/official getExif method that returns a class pill.image.exif instance or none if the image has no exif data. From pillow 6.0.0 release notes. getExif has been added, which returns an exif instance. Values can be retrieved and set like a dictionary. When saving JPEG, PNG or WebP, the instance can be passed as an exif argument to include any changes in the output image. As stated, you can iterate over the key value pairs of the exif instance like a regular dictionary. The keys are 16-bit integers that can be mapped to their string names using the exif tags module. Tested with Python 3.8.8 and pillow equals 8.1.0.
You can also use the exifread module.
I use this. Or to get a specific field.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.